Guangzhou Mofar Technology Corporation Limited is located in Guangzhou. We own 80,000 square meters workshop and office. The company is committed to providing a full set of solutions for various industries with professional three-dimension printing technology and innovative design and digital manufacturing thinking. Mofar 3-Dimension Printing Service Bureau is a company that can print objects for customers on demand. A 3-dimension printer works by melting a plastic filament and extruding it through a nozzle. The nozzle moves back and forth, layer by layer, building up the object from the ground up. As one of the leading high-quality 3-dimension printing machines and custom 3-dimension printing service manufacturers in China, we are focused on providing you with one-stop service, serving industrial manufacturing, medical equipment, aerospace, electronic parts, cultural creativity and other fields. 3-dimension printing has revolutionized the world of manufacturing. With a 3-dimension printer, you can create intricate, detailed objects that would be impossible to make using traditional manufacturing methods. So whether you're a designer looking to prototype your latest creation, or just someone who wants a custom object, 3-dimension printing service bureaus are a great way to get high-quality 3-dimension printed objects without the hassle of owning a printer yourself. Mofar Company will continue to adhere to the philosophy of honesty, enthusiasm, innovation and customers first. Welcome to consult and order at any time.